Hi there! I'm going to cook fried rice today, and I will be inviting Aru to cook with me. She'll be in her kitchen cooking and I'm cooking here. I have some cooked rice here, and I also have a pepper and a carrot. I'm using prawns today. I believe Aru hasn't got prawns, so she's using chicken. And I got some frozen peas, ginger, shallot, because I don't have onion, so I'm using shallot, and spring onion, and 3 eggs here, and some soy sauce and sesame oil.
Let's cook. How much oil? 1 tablespoon, did you say?
2 tablespoons of oil.
I'm on an induction hob. You're on the gas. Your gas is quicker.
Yes,
so
and then I'm using a wok. I'll be using a wok. I'll be finishing eating and you still be cooking. That's the problem. My wok is really steaming away. I need to put my egg in and just like a scramble it for really quickly, okay?
Okay.
I will do a bit of season, a little bit of pinch of salt for the egg. It doesn't matter if it's runny, and then we're just going to take it out because when we put it in the rice, it will be still cooking anyway.
Okay. Okie dokes. I'll take it out. Do I put some oil in now?
Yeah, so you're going to cook the chicken, and I'm going to cook my prawns.
Right. I'll tell you what. I'll start the chicken. See, I'll start the chicken first because I'm going to be slower than you, right?
I'm going to have a cup of tea when your chicken half done, and I would cook my prawns, okay?
Don't be cheeky.
Just put about a tablespoon of tablespoon in there. My prawn is king prawns, right. So I sort of cut them in half because they will be just too big for the fried rice like that. And I also put a little bit of white pepper there to season it, and salt to season a bit of the prawns.
Right, because I put a bit of salt and pepper black pepper into my chicken because I don't have any white pepper.
Okay,
so
good.
That's it. Okay.
Okay, I'm going to put about a tablespoon of oil in the wok and do my prawns now. That will be really quick. I know my wok still got some egg in there, but doesn't matter. Yeah. It's just, they will just all come together later on anyway. Yeah, onions for you and shallots for me. Yeah, I'm going to put my shallots in there now. And soften, let your onions soften. So my shallots is softened, and I'm going to put the frozen pea in there first. I want everything still crunchy actually and nice, and then the carrots and peppers, everything in. So how are you doing? Yeah, put some more oil in there if you think that it's not, obviously maybe just a bit different than the wok and all that. My vegetable ready, I'm going to take them out.
Put the ginger in.
Yeah, put the ginger in. Let the ginger, get all the flavour out first. I put the ginger in now. I like lots of ginger. Then you put the rice in. Be careful. The rice my rice is cooked rice. You can put your chicken. I'm going to put the prawn back in there.
Wow, this is good.
Vegetable in there too. And then give it a good stir. And I'm going to put the egg back in there. The egg is quite runny, so you just get a good mix of all the eggs. Integrate with all the soya and the sesame oil. Put the spring onion in there as well. And leave some for garnish on the top later on. And now I can place up now.
Done. Yep.
Let's give it a taste then. Do you like it?
I'll share. Please subscribe and like below.
Bye!